Let's explore ChatterPix.
Duck, duck, moose.
Welcome to ChatterPix.
Now that the app is open, we'll choose Take Photo. If you already have a photo on your camera roll, you can select it here. I'm going to choose this little pig. I can move him, center him how I want. Click Next and draw a mouth for my pig. There's his mouth. I can record by clicking the microphone.
Record in 3, 2, 1, go!
I'm a smart little pig. I built my home of bricks. I'm a smart little pig. I built my home of bricks. I'll click Next, where I'll be able to add stickers, filters, frames, and other features. I'm going to go with stickers. And my little pig is going to have some glasses and maybe somewhere there are, yes, some braces. He's got braces. Make those a little smaller. All right. And I'm going to go to the next screen. And I'm going to see how he looks. I'm a smart little pig. I built my home of bricks. I'm going to go ahead and choose Download to Camera Roll. Now I'm ready to upload my work into Seesaw. I can choose Post Student Work, Upload, choose my little piggy. I'm a smart check mark again, sample student, and my work has now been added into Seesaw.